Local news for Friday the 24th of May. The second Wairarapa Schools strike for climate change will take place today. Students from around the region will march up Queen Street, Masterton from the town square at 1pm before planting 300 native trees at Masterton Intermediate School. Wairarapa students are joining a nationwide call to go 48 hours phone free next week to raise awareness of the dangers of using a phone while driving. Students taking part in the Phone Free 48 campaign starting Monday aim to show that going without your phone for small amounts of your day won't harm you, but using your phone while driving might. And a good steady lifestyle market continues in Wairarapa, with Wellington interests continuing to have a major influence. Data released by the Real Estate Institute of New Zealand shows across the country there has been a drop in demand. And it was also a quiet month for farm sales in the region, with concern over forestry interests. In sport and club rugby this weekend, first round winners and Moose Company Cup winners Ikitahuna are at home to Greytown. Marist play Masterton Red Star, Gladstone host Carterton, and Martinborough will play.